Live for teacher.
Linda's Carnaval Birthday. Today is Linda's birthday. She turns 16. The theme is Carnival, and the party is in a big garden with fairy lights, soft music, and colorful ribbons in the trees. Linda wears a shiny dress with wings on the back. Her hair is in a high ponytail with glitter. She feels like a fairy queen. Her friends arrive one by one in costumes. Anna wears a purple mask. She has braces and freckles, and her smile shines. Mia wears a long green dress, and her hair is in a beautiful braid. Lily comes in a rainbow outfit. Her short hair has blue bangs. Leo dresses as a silly prince. He has a fake mustache and a drawn beard. Everyone laughs. Tim has a sticker mole on his cheek and deep dimples when he smiles. He brings sparkling juice for everyone. A magician enters the party. He is bald and wears a silver suit. He throws magic dust in the air. Suddenly, lights dance in the sky and music gets louder. Everyone dances under the stars. They take photos, eat cake, and play games. Linda says, "This is the best birthday ever. It's like a dream." The fairy lights twinkle, and the night feels magical.
Little